Why exercise should absolutely be part of your beauty regime. Hello and welcome to the channel. Ladies, this video is especially for you, but we are not discriminatory on Askadoc. Not at all. If you are a boy or man and you want to take care of that temple of pure masculinity, also known as your fabulous body, feel free to hop on board this train. Destination beautiful body, clear mind. Everybody is welcome. When we think about beauty routines, we usually think about creams, serums, makeup, maybe the occasional facial. Very few people think about exercise. But here's the slightly uncomfortable truth. If you had to choose just one thing for your skin, one thing for your hair, one thing for your posture, and one thing for how young you look overall, it would not be a cream. It would be movement, because beauty is not just surface deep, it's biology, and exercise changes your biology from the inside out. Let's talk about why, calmly, like we're in clinic together. First, blood flow. Your skin is alive, it needs oxygen, it needs nutrients, and those are delivered by blood. When you sit all day, circulation slows. Skin looks dull, pale, tired, but when you exercise, your heart pumps faster. Blood rushes to your skin. That natural post-workout glow, that's not magic, that's oxygen. It's literally your cells being better fed. So instead of glow in a bottle, you get a glow from physiology. And physiology always wins. Second, collagen. Collagen is the protein that keeps skin firm. It's what stops sagging. It's what keeps cheeks lifted. It's what smooths fine lines. As we age, collagen slowly decreases. But exercise stimulates collagen production, especially strength training. So lifting weights or body weight exercises or resistance bands can literally help your skin stay tighter for longer. Think of it as internal anti-aging therapy. Much cheaper than a jar of cream. Third, hormones. Hormones affect everything about appearance: acne, oiliness, hair loss, bloating, weight gain, mood. Exercise balances hormones beautifully. It lowers stress hormones like cortisol. It improves insulin sensitivity. It stabilizes blood sugar. And stable hormones mean calmer skin, fewer breakouts, less inflammation, less puffiness. So if you've ever noticed your skin looks better during periods when you exercise regularly, you're not imagining it. There's real science behind that. Fourth, posture. This one is so underrated. You can have perfect skin, perfect hair, perfect makeup, but if you slump forward all day, you instantly look tired, older, less confident. Exercise strengthens your back and core, so you stand taller, shoulders open, chin lifted, and suddenly you look 10 years younger. Without touching your face. Good posture is free Botox. Honestly, fifth, sleep. And sleep is the ultimate beauty treatment. During deep sleep, your body repairs itself. Skin cells regenerate. Collagen rebuilds. Inflammation settles. But stressed, inactive bodies sleep badly. Exercise improves sleep quality dramatically. You fall asleep faster, sleep deeper, wake up fresher, and good sleep shows on your face immediately. Less puffiness, fewer dark circles, brighter eyes. No eye cream competes with 8 hours of proper sleep. Now, let's talk about something people don't always connect with beauty, mood, because how you feel changes how you look. When you're stressed, your face tightens, your jaw clenches, your brow furrows. We literally wear stress on our faces. Exercise releases endorphins, natural mood boosters. You feel lighter, calmer, more confident, and confident people automatically look more attractive. Not because of their skin, but because of their energy. You can't bottle that. So, what type of exercise helps most? Good news, it doesn't have to be extreme. You don't need marathons. You don't need boot camps. Consistency beats intensity every time. Walking daily, light jogging, cycling, swimming, 2 or 3 strength sessions per week. That's already enough to change your biology. Think of it this way. Skincare works from the outside in. Exercise works from the inside out. And inside out is always more powerful. So next time you're tempted to buy another expensive cosmetic product, pause for a second. Ask yourself, have I moved my body today? Because 20 minutes of brisk walking might do more for your face than the most expensive cream in the shop, which is slightly annoying, but wonderfully empowering because movement is free, no prescription needed, no fancy equipment, just you, your body, and a bit of consistency. So yes, use your skincare, enjoy your routines, but make exercise your foundation because real beauty is healthy blood flow, strong muscles, balanced hormones, good sleep, calm, confidence. And all of that starts with simply moving. Do you agree with what I'm saying in this video? That exercise is not an optional extra, but rather an essential item on everyone's to-do list. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments section. I am interested in what you think about this subject. In my clinical practice, I am sometimes quite shocked by the sheer number of people who do not know that exercise is a requirement for the body to function optimally. These are the people who are shocked when they have a sedentary-related complication in their health, like obesity and all its consequences, arthritis, knee pains, and diabetes. When I tell them that a simple, regular exercise regime can go a long way to prolong their lives and increase their quality of life, they look at me like I have 2 heads. We should all be better educated about this. That is one of the goals of Askadoc. Do tell me your experiences of your relationship with exercise. Be honest, no judgment here. We are all here to learn from each other. Please like the video if you found it helpful, entertaining, or educational. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more medical content. If you have any questions of a medical nature, don't hesitate to ask a doc.